Alright, let's dive into paragraph organization. Now, when we talk about organizing paragraphs, we're essentially talking about how we arrange our ideas in writing. Organizing a paragraph effectively is what makes the content clear and easy to follow for your reader. There are several different patterns of organization, and each one serves a specific purpose, depending on what you're trying to achieve.
Argument, also known as opinion or persuasive writing, is all about convincing the reader to agree with your point of view. This structure works well when you're making a case for something. For instance, you might argue that students should be allowed to arrive late to class due to transportation issues or personal responsibilities. To be persuasive, you'd offer logical reasons and back them up with examples or evidence. This paragraph illustrates the options or pro-con style of organization, where multiple perspectives or options are presented to support an argument. In this case, the writer is advocating for a flexible lateness policy for students under certain conditions, offering specific reasons to support their view. Topic sentence. The paragraph begins with a clear claim. While teachers emphasize punctuality, the writer believes there are circumstances where lateness should be permitted. This sets the stage for offering options or explanations that support this stance. First option, transportation challenges. The writer first highlights transportation issues, focusing on students who may have long commutes or face unreliable public transportation. This option provides a real-life challenge that can interfere with punctuality, giving a practical reason for flexibility. The example of public transportation being unreliable strengthens this point, illustrating how external factors beyond a student's control can lead to tardiness. Second option, balancing responsibilities. The paragraph then introduces a second option, focusing on students who juggle part-time jobs or family obligations. This is a more personal and situational reason for lateness, reflecting the difficulty of balancing multiple responsibilities with school schedules. Third option, reducing stress. The final point suggests that occasional leniency with lateness can reduce stress and improve student well-being. This expands the argument by addressing the potential benefits for student mental health, which is an increasingly important consideration in education. Concluding statement. The paragraph ends by reinforcing the overall idea that, under reasonable conditions, teachers should be more flexible with lateness. This restates the claim while emphasizing the importance of understanding and empathy in these situations. By offering a range of justifications, transportation issues, personal responsibilities, and a need for stress reduction, the paragraph organizes these options to build a case for a more lenient lateness policy. Each point is clearly articulated, with examples and reasoning that support the argument.